to my garden. It is a bit of chaos, but I love it. I've got some beautiful poppies here that, of course, are on the wrong side of the fence. These are going to be giant sunflowers. Fingers crossed. I hope they're pretty. I honestly have no idea what that is. I planted it last year, and it came back. It's supposed to be good for pollinators, and so far the bees love it. More sunflowers. Look at all these poppies. There's so much purple in here. I will admit I did plant that. I have some little sunflowers here. Some more purple. My redbud tree is doing well. We have a guest who's doing something. Oh my god, these sunflowers have gotten massive. They're kind of overshadowing my yarrow here. I have another fence that I need to put up to save that. So push those out of the way. More yarrow. The weeds are trying to take over. It's a never-ending battle. However, my raised beds are looking fantastic. The lettuce is going crazy. I did start the lettuce in a hydroponic garden and transplanted it out here. It was dramatic for a few days, but it's looking good now. All of this is either garlic or shallots. I don't remember what I planted here. And then that back row is the same. And then last but not least, we have a ton of mint and basil, dill, and thyme over here. So yeah, it's going. And these wonderful things are UV protectors because the sun, the Texas sun likes to try and get my plants. And then over here I've got tomatoes and some lavender. I actually have more lavender I need to plant. So yeah, there's my May garden.